Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take long screenshots in Google Chrome. So the default screenshot button in Windows or feature in Windows usually can only take screenshots of one screen resolution at a time. But if you're going to stitch together a longer screenshot, it's really easy to do so. All we have to do is go to a new tab. Let's their full page. And then let's click on this link that leads us to the Chrome Web Store. Let's click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and within a second or two, it should be added to our browser. There we go. It's been added to our extension. I'm going to click on this pin button. That way I can always see it and always have easy access to it. So now we can start using it. So for example, we have Wikipedia. Let's click on this button and it automatically scrolls down and takes a screenshot for you. Then you can download this as a PNG or a PDF. Here's another example. I'm going to take a screenshot of this information page, tutorial page. That way I don't forget. Going to click on this again. It's going to keep scrolling down and it's going to stitch these images together. And there we go. Let's take a look at the quality real quick. Let's open this file and let's zoom in. We can see that the quality of the screenshot is pretty much picture perfect and the stitching is seamless. So that's how you can take scrolling or long screenshots in Google Chrome. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.